Hi and welcome back. Basically, it is currently 8:12 a.m. I did wake up at 7:15 and that is because today I'm doing Instagram controls my day. So I put up some polls on Instagram. If you don't follow me already, feel free to go follow me. It's just at Tati Kapaya. Link will be in the description. And yeah, so I put up some polls because I have a 9 a.m. 9 a.m. workshop, 9 to 11. So I put what time should I wake up? 7:15, be early, or 8, rush and sleep in. And 64% said 7:15, be early. I do appreciate it because I did need to get ready and stuff, so it worked out for the better. If I woke up at 8, I would be rushing, wouldn't have had the chance to get ready properly, probably wouldn't have eaten breakfast. But next is what should I have for breakfast, and the options were healthy smoothie and pancakes. Personally, I did want the smoothie, but you know, 65% said pancakes. And don't get me wrong, I love pancakes, but the only reason I didn't want pancakes is because I'm trying out this new healthy thing. But it's fine, because I enjoy them. But I'm gonna have pancakes and then we'll continue with the day and see how it goes. But I'm very hungry at the moment. Need to leave the house at like 8:40, so I've got like 25 minutes-ish, which is fine. But let's continue and go get breakfast. Why I put my pancakes in the oven is to heat it up. I know some people put them in the microwave or like toaster, but I don't own a toaster. I don't put pizza in the microwave, I feel like it ruins it. So the oven, I know it takes longer, but definitely tastes better. I put butter on top of mine. I would put maple syrup, but I don't have any. But yeah. Alright, it's like 8:42 at the moment. Need to leave the house in like 3 minutes so that I'm not late. Outfit of the day quick though. Sweatshirt is from Urban Outfitters, Dickies. Jeans are Levi's. And then I'm gonna wear, what's it called? Jacket, coat sort of thing from Boohoo. You know, it's like black with stripes. Anyway, you'll see. But yeah, need to leave, I'm running late. So, currently on my way to my 9 a.m. I feel like I'll be like 2 minutes late, which is fine. You know, I just don't really like being late. It's a 2-hour editing workshop, so it's not too bad. I actually kind of like the workshops. Today's Friday. Don't know if I said that. It's Friday the 25th of October. But yeah, so after, I'll go through what I'm doing the rest of the day. But yeah. Lie with the right price and I might bite. Got a pipe like it's fight night and I might tight. Give me that cake, no icing. Dash to the money right quick, no hyphen. Ain't really wanna be like it. Tell them don't really flip, do it like Bryson. Lifestyle seem enticing. Till your money down and you gotta throw dice in. Living so fast, I'm priceless. 25 going through a midlife crisis. Alright, flights from the east to the west and the west to the east. If you still sleeping on me, then they resting in peace. Every time I eat pizza, stay on repeat. Weather getting cold, time to get the street heat. Gotta get the block hot, white trying to block me. Uptown girl, go and get a top cheese. And we go and knock knees, someone hating not me. So I finished my lecture. It is currently 10:52. The next poll was, after my lecture, what should I do? And it was either do some work or chill. And I do have work I need to do. But 53% voted chill. And to be honest, I'm actually not too upset because I don't have to do the work today, do you know what I mean? So I'm gonna chill, gonna go home, chill. But then the poll after that was lunchtime. Do I have yesterday's leftovers or do I buy a meal deal? And 59% said meal deal, so I'm just gonna buy a meal deal on my way home, chill, eat lunch there, then we'll continue with the day after that. So that's the plan for now. Gonna go to Sainsbury's, buy a meal deal, and just go home and chill, not do some work. Basically, just got back home and it's like 11:20. I've got like an hour and a bit until I'm gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna eat at like 12:20 maybe. I think I'll be hungry then. I'm gonna chill. Normally what I do is like watch YouTube videos.
Sponsored by SeatGeek. SeatGeek is an amazing app.
Alright, I've chilled for a bit. Now it's lunchtime. I'm gonna have my meal deal. So I get spicy chicken pasta, innocent smoothie. I would get the naked smoothies, but they're not in the meal deal anymore in the Sainsbury's here anyway, which is very annoying. I like the blue machine one, but yeah, those are my items, and I have mini cheddars as well. So let's eat lunch. Alright, so I finished eating lunch. Next thing, I asked you guys, what should I do in the early afternoon? So it's like 12:30 at the moment. I ate lunch so early just because I got hungry, so I was like, might as well. So the options for what should I do in the early afternoon were either see Ben or see Kaylee. And it was low-key close, like right up until the end, but the final result was see Ben, and that was like 61%. Sorry Kaylee, love you. But yeah, I'm gonna go see Ben. Probably gonna just go to a coffee shop, chill there for a bit, because we have another poll for what I should do in the late afternoon. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna leave the house in like 5 minutes and go meet Ben in a sec, so let's go. We out of here.
So basically, the poll was either meet Ben or meet Kaylee, and I was the chosen one. So the plan, I'm saying your part, you go.
No, you
The plan is,
go on.
plan is
Don't say the name of the place, just in case.
going for coffee. And then from there, take a few pictures, see how life goes. There's a crane. Right, I've got a question for you. How do cranes actually get into position? So obviously you don't see them like getting carried around the motorway. So how does a crane get to where it's meant to be? Just think about that. Anyway, and then...
Comment down below.
Yeah, and then I'm coming home, going to the gym, making gains. And then she carries on with her day. That's about it, really.
Stop over in the day. But yeah, we're gonna go now. Ben's always late, so I was on time. I can see you in the mirror.
Oh, hi.
I was here at 1 PM as we arranged. Guess who's still getting ready?
No, I wasn't getting ready.
You were doing your hair in the mirror for at least a minute before, whilst I was here. Yes, let's go. Come on. It's like 3:20 in the afternoon, so it's the late afternoon. And the next poll on Instagram was, what about the late afternoon? And I had two options.
Really?
Yes. I had two options. One was Netflix and one was gym, okay? And even though I know I need to go to the gym, like it's like I try go regularly. I
3 times a week turns out to be once. JK.
The thing is, it's true.
It's true.
I've been good. Like, there's some weeks where I go like,
trying.
yeah.
Just trying, that counts.
He's a lot better than I am. He like actually goes like 4 times a week, but
Yeah, 4 times.
But you know, I'm just trying to get on his level. Do you know what I mean?
I know you probably can't tell, but I'll try at least.
But yeah, I was gonna say, but I really just wanted to like use this as an excuse to just watch Netflix and do nothing. But you guys are, you know, keeping me in check. And it's 53% to the gym. And this was another like really close one, so it looks like I'm going to the gym. And conveniently, Ben is going to the gym also. But this is actually the first time we've been in the gym together at the same time. Like, it never happens, so...
We never plan it.
We never plan it.
I mean, I've seen you in the gym before, but not like...
Properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not really our thing.
Like, as soon as we get to the gym today...
It's just...
So yeah.
But yeah, so that's the plan now. Probably get to the gym around 4. And then stay there for just over an hour. Yeah, and then we'll continue with the polls after that.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for making me do this.
They try to tell me I'm changing, cause I know I'm about to make it. I'm in the stool, smoking my poof with shawty and she dancing naked. They try to tell me they love me, but I'm the one that they fake it. Where was you at? I'm flipping them bags, way back in the motherfucking basement. They try to tell me I'm changing, cause I know I'm about to make it. I'm in the stool, smoking my poof with shawty and she dancing naked. They try to tell me they love me,
Hey guys, alright. Basically, it's 6 p.m. Oh gosh, I'm back from the gym. So it's basically dinner time. So that's a great segue into the next poll, you know? So the options for dinner time, I put Chef Tati, time to cook, or order food. And it was basically a clear win for Chef Tati, time to cook. 67% voted for me to cook. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually really happy that cooking won because I need to stop ordering food, but I haven't ordered food in a while. So I wanted to keep the streak. So I'm happy you helped me out, you know, gonna cook. Here's the thing. The other day I made sweet potato fries with chicken and broccoli, right? I cooked some like nice dishes. But I'm making pasta today, and I don't know why every time I film, I'm always making pasta. I promise you, I do make other things. It just happens to work out that way, but that's what's on the menu tonight. So I'm gonna go make dinner, make pasta, eat that, and then we'll continue after that. I feel like this has been a long video. I don't know, let me know if you like the length. Let me know if you like the long videos. But anyway, yeah, dinner time.
I put the gas in my lungs, I put the food on my plate. I'm off for perk, I'm doing work, ain't no more sleeping today. I guess I'm stuck on my habits, I guess I'm stuck on my way. 4 in the morning, I'm already pouring that got all my stress away. I guess I'm stuck on my habits, I guess I'm stuck on my way.
Welcome to my bathroom. I feel like I never film in here, because I don't know why I would film in the bathroom. Yeah, I finished eating dinner. I made enough for like 2 days, so I'll have that tomorrow. So yeah, at the moment, I'm gonna do a face mask. As you can clearly see. If you're wondering which one this is the Body Shop Tea Tree face mask. It really dries your skin out as well, so in the winter make sure you moisturize a lot more. So doing this, gonna jump in the shower, and then we'll be on to our last final poll of the day. My skin is burning, so I feel like it's time to take this off. Alright, is the last poll of the day. Let's find out what you guys wanted. So I basically asked, to end the day, should I be productive or no? So the option, excuses like it's nighttime, do you know what I mean? So I'm used to filming anyway. So yeah, so the options were either edit a new YouTube video or go out clubbing. Overall, 58% said edit a new YouTube video, so looks like I'm staying in and editing, but I'm actually not annoyed about that. So let's edit. This video has already been really long, so hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you want me to do anything like this in the future, feel free to comment down below and let me know. I like this interaction, you know, I like the interactivity, you know, so make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you don't miss any of that. I'm just going to be here editing until later on when I'm going to go to sleep, so yeah, I'm going to end this video here, but I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss any videos. All my social media links will be in the description below, but yeah, I'm going to go now, but I'll see you next time, so bye.